Now we are going to find one new scenario. Write a SQL, find number of days between last two purchases of each customer. We need to find number of days between last two purchases of each customer. Okay. So here I have created one customer table, and then I have created one orders table. I am inserting some records in customer table and inserting some records in orders table. Let us see what are the records in customer table first. For the customer table, we have created two columns, customer ID and customer name. There are the four records, four customers are there in the customer table. So similarly, the same four customers he is ordered multiple time. That entries and all we are maintaining here in the orders table. So date wise, customer ID 1 he has ordered 3 times. Customer ID 2 he has ordered 2 times. Customer ID 3 has ordered 1 time. Customer ID 4 he has ordered 2 times. Like that we are making entry in the orders table. So now we are going to write. Okay, otherwise I will delete this one and I will create new. First I am going to create one. First I need to join these two tables, customer table and orders table. I am going to join with the customer ID, customer name and order date. Along with that order date I am going to put rank. Okay, last order date wise, last order date means that is put is 1. Like that I am maintaining 1 2 3 3 times he has purchased means last order date is make it as 1. Next last order is 2. Next one is 3. Like that for each customer wise I am doing. Now I am putting the rank. So here first select c dot customer from customer C, order date, c dot customer ID, c dot customer name, o dot order name from customers router join orders O. Here this is for customer table, alias is C. For orders table, alias is O. I am taking the columns from customer table. 2 columns I am taking from customer table and 1 column I am taking from orders table. Okay. And what is the join condition? C dot customer ID. C dot customer ID equal to O dot odd O dot customer ID. We are joining. Okay. First we'll join this table and we'll see how the record is coming. Okay, now we have joined that table. So after that, ordered by c dot customer ID o dot why you are ordering in each customer is order date. I am descending order I put and see the record. Or if a customer ID, if you take, there are 3 times he has ordered: 4th month, 3rd month, 5th month, 2023 5th month. Okay, 3 times he has ordered. Similarly for customer 2 he has ordered 2 times. Similarly for customer 3 he has ordered only 1 time. And similarly for the customer ID 4 he has ordered 2 times. Okay, now we are going to apply rank. Suppose we are taking customer ID 1, we are going to apply rank. Last order date is 1, the second one is 2, third one is 3, like that. Similarly for customer ID 2, if you are taking, we are going to apply rank 1 and 2. Like this, third customer ID rank is 1. The fourth customer ID we have to put last order date, this one is 1 and this record is 2. So what I am going to do now, write a dense rank. For putting rank, the function is dense rank. Partition by customer ID wise, I need to do partition. Each customer wise, I need to do partition, and order date wise, I need to order in descending order. As rank, I am putting this column as rank. So now I am putting ranking 1 2 3 for the customer ID. I have put 3 ranks. For 3 times he has ordered, so 3 ranks. For 2 I am putting 1 2 ranks. For similarly for the customer ID 4, 2 orders, 1 and 2. Last order is 1. For each customer last order is 1 and the next last order is 2. Like that we need to put rank. Now what we are going to do after that, this one you can make it as with CTE, like a purchase. We input a rank for this, so we name it as purchases rank. Then select, you need to select all the record from this table. So okay, from this table, less than or equal to 2. Here C. Okay, we need to remove these alias. Okay, 2 records for each customer. Now we are taking only 2 records. Customer 3 is having only 1 record, so rank 1 will come. There is no 2 records, so only 1 record will come. For similarly for customer ID 4, 2 records are there, rank 1 and 2. Okay, then this one I can name it as CT table, like last 2 purchases. Now customer ID, customer name we are going to take. Customer ID, customer name we will take from this, from last 2 purchases P1, inner join last 2 purchases P2. It is like just like a self join. So last 2 purchases table I am taking as a self join. So on P1 dot customer ID equal to P2 dot customer ID. Okay, here I am taking from P1 dot customer ID, P1 dot customer name from this table. I need to write one join conditions like and uh, p1 dot rank equal to p1 dot this one, right? R and k. p1 dot r and k equal to 1 and p2 dot r and k equal to 2. Okay, now we are going to put one date difference function to subtract the two dates. Last two purchase date, we need to subtract it. There is one date difference function is there. So it's of day 2 dot order date from the order date p2 dot order date comma p1 dot order date number of days as number of days. Now we got the answer. That means each customer id, customer name, each customer id wise we will take in the last two purchase date of each customer and we subtract those two dates and we get the number of days. The result will be in number of days. Similarly for the second customer, last two dates of purchase he has taken, but third customer only one time he has purchased, so there is no record. So here the fourth customer id 4, number of days is 5. Okay, this is the output. So here what we need to find it out, we are last two purchases we have made. That means from this thing we get last two purchases of each customer from this last. So I am going to create one self join by using this table, last two purchases table. Here last two purchases p1 inner join, like self join I am going to do based on customer id. I am going to do, and I need to compare this why I am rank 1 I am taking and rank 2 I am taking. So suppose in case if I omitted this one, and we'll see here. Okay, here similarly I am putting rank 1 and rank 2. p1 dot rank comma p2 dot rank will do. So both record rank 1, we no need 1 and 2. So we need to put the rank like this, rank 1 and rank 2. We should not put condition. It's like p1 dot rank equal to 1 and p2 dot rank equal to 2. Like, should not put. we need to take two different record. In the P1 we are taking the last order date, first date, and from the P2 we are taking second last order date. Then only we need to subtract. For that purpose we are using this condition. I hope you are clear. So I'll remove those columns and we'll see the output now. We got this output. Okay, I hope you have cleared. Now we can find the number of days between the two last purchase of each customer. Okay, is there any alternative solution? If you have, please comment it. Please write a command line. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.